Aloha, my friend. How you doing today? Are you staying positive? Because you know that's the only way to be. Oh, hey, what's up? We're supposed to have a boom right there. Let's just imagine that we had a boom. And what I want to talk about today, my friends, is congratulations to you for being here and to me for getting this to work just right. It's not 100% just right because I can't get my sound effects to seem to be firing away like I want them to. But we are streaming live right into the Get Skills AI community. You're probably also going to see this. Not probably, you're definitely going to see this on YouTube as well. You might get a sneak peek on Instagram and a few other places. However, the main focus of this live stream is for the Get Skills AI community. And I'm just going to start sharing with you what I work on every single day, AI tips and tricks, so that you can implement these in your own life and in your own work to make your life and your work a whole lot more fun and a whole lot easier. So let's just go ahead and just take a quick look right now what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to just show you how I used AI. This is a typical workflow of mine. How I used AI to generate this video right here. So let's go right ahead and check it out. I'm building a short course called Everyday AI Hacks. It's based on the AI workflows I actually use, automating Excel tasks, writing faster, and cutting out repetitive work that shouldn't exist anymore. This isn't a theory course, and it's not finished yet. I'm building it in the open, focusing only on what holds up in real work environments. If practical, usable AI matters to you, I'll be sharing more as it comes together. Remember, don't get mad. Get skills. Pretty cool, right? So that right there is a video that I made, and I'm running into a little bit of issues. If I seem like something's going on, it's because I got a controller right down here that doesn't seem to be working whenever we're streaming into this live stream. But I can still show you what I've been working on today. And that video in particular, let me walk you through the steps on how I'm setting it up. So what I've got right here, I'm going to disappear for just a moment. And this is ChatGPT 5.2. And I created a project where I can keep everything together. So in this project right here, it's called AI Tips and Tricks. Let's just go right into it real quickly. I've got a couple of files. That's my knowledge base. And the knowledge base has my brand voice and core identity and branding so that it knows how to write in my style so that it sounds like it's me. It's been trained more on that. As you continue to come back to the community, you'll start to see, or just feel free to ask me in the comments or send me a message, and then I'll show you how to do any of the things that I'm working on right now. But for this particular video, we just started out by creating a project, and right within this project, everything is contained. So when I take a look at this project, it's called AI Tips and Tricks. I picked this blue folder. This is in ChatGPT. And inside my settings, you can see that it's project only memory, okay? The memory right up here, it's project only. That means that only what's going on within this project is what the memory is going to be accessing, and what's within the knowledge base, which are these two files that I showed you earlier. Now you can continue adding to the knowledge base. You can add up to 20 documents. So we've got my AI tips and tricks knowledge base, and this is going to be where I work for come up with everything for my course, AI Shortcut Tips and Tricks. And when we look at the project instructions, these are any kind of custom instructions that you have. In this case, I've got what's called a Script Master Max. And because this is about AI, he's a specialist in AI and creating courses and writing scripts for AI related content. So the description for him is Script Master Max is your go-to AI expert for all things generative AI with a master's touch in creating engaging step-by-step scripts. Max brings humor, precision, and cutting-edge expertise to the table, helping learners master the art of AI prompt engineer, model optimization, and beyond. And he's got all these different skills that I've given him. So that's a whole nother session, learning how to build persona prompts. You got to start out by first learning how to build just a prompt. So we've got our folder, we've got our special instructions, we've got everything set up. And in here is where I wanted to go ahead and say, hey, you know what? Now I want to make a video introducing this course. So, making it a sneak peek for this course. So I went in here and I asked Script Master Max to write me a script. That script that you heard in that video that I just played you. And now that it knows my voice and my style and the like, it came up with this script for me right here. So I took this particular script, just like that, and I went to HeyGen. And HeyGen is where you can make your AI avatars. And what we've got right here within my AI avatars, we've got projects. And one of the features that they have in HeyGen is called the video agent. Keep following the getskills.ai community, turn on your notifications and the like. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. LinkedIn, wherever you're watching this, follow me because I'm going to be talking more and more about everything that I'm using. So right about now, the landscapers decided to come by, and they don't usually come by at this time. They come by earlier in the morning. Hopefully you can't hear it, and it's not affecting anything. So my friend, I've got the video agent in HeyGen, and right in here is where I'm going to select the avatar, and the avatar is Mr. Aloha AI. It's an avatar of me. And I'll put in the prompt right in here, what I'm looking for, what I wanted to create. And let's take a look at it. So we went right into the input box. And I said, I want to make a promo style sneak peek type video announcing that I'm working on a new course. That's the video that you just saw at the very beginning. Here's the avatar script. And there's a script that Script Master Max came up for us in the project that we have in ChatGPT, this one right here. So then it went through and it started putting together the storyboard and the like. And here we see that it's got the topic, then we've got the audience right there, the theme of the music, the video length, which is specific for a promo-based video, good 20 seconds. Orientation is portrait, so the 9:16 so that we can upload it on Instagram and just go on mobile, no problem. And the script plan is what we've got going on, what we entered already. I know you can hear this. But this is the first live stream that we are doing into the community, and we're going to keep on rolling because the show must go on. The avatar is Mr. Aloha AI, and we've made that avatar earlier so that we could use them all the time. That's something else that we can learn, that I can teach you, is how to generate your avatars so that you can duplicate yourself. So it went through and it generated this video right here. So if we listen to this video right here, listen to it carefully, it's going to sound a little bit different because this is a straight up AI voice, and I haven't really done anything to it, so it's not quite perfect.
I'm building a short course called Everyday AI Hacks. It's based on the AI workflows I actually use. Automating Excel tasks, writing faster, and cutting out repetitive work that shouldn't exist anymore. This isn't a theory course, and it's not finished yet. I'm building it in the open, focusing only on what holds up in real work environments. If practical, usable AI matters to you, I'll be sharing more as it comes together. Remember, don't get mad, get skills.
So there you have it. There's the Mr. Aloha AI avatar that I created earlier. There's multiple avatars that I have with different looks and the like. And this is the kind of things that I'm going to be teaching all in this AI, everyday AI hacks, shortcut tips and tricks, because it's what I do to run my business and make my life way more fun. So keep coming back for more. So now we've got this video, and you notice, I didn't quite like the sound of the voice, and because the way the voice was generated, it kind of made the avatar look kind of funny. You can't really notice it right now because I didn't play it enough for you, but after you look at this a couple times, you would be able to notice it. So now we go into the edit in the studio. And this is the studio right inside of HeyGen. And so what I did is I went in here and I re-recorded. I went right in here and I selected audio. And then I recorded the voice myself. So I went in there and I said, I'm building a short course called Everyday AI Hacks. So now it's got all my voice. And I did that for every scene. And then that's how we ended up with, I also, let me give you a couple more steps. I recorded all of these scenes with my own voice, uploaded it, and then we go right over here to this side, and we're gonna have more options. So I click on music, and I didn't want any music, that one that was playing in the background. Let's get rid of it, no music. And then what I did is I generated the video with my voice and no music in the background. And once I did that, and I downloaded the video, and once I downloaded the video, I opened up Camtasia, which is what I use as a course creator, professional trainer, educator, author. We use Camtasia. And I brought that video right into Camtasia. I added my own music that I prefer, and then my logo in the end. So here's the video with my voice in it, and then my logo coming up in the background. And then the AI avatar, it worked out a little bit better when it mirrored my actual voice, tone, and emotion. So once again, my friends, here, let's play it one more time. I'm building a short course called Everyday AI Hacks. It's based on the AI workflows I actually use, automating Excel tasks, writing faster, and cutting out repetitive work that shouldn't exist anymore. This isn't a theory course, and it's not finished yet. I'm building it in the open, focusing only on what holds up in real work environments. If practical, usable AI matters to you, I'll be sharing more as it comes together. Remember, don't get mad. Get skills. All right, pretty cool, right? So that, my friends, is exactly how I made that video using AI. And now you know. So if this is your first time watching this at the Get Skills AI community, this is our community where we help each other out. I'm here monitoring, answering your questions and the like. If you're watching this on YouTube, LinkedIn, or any other platform where I'm streaming to, come on by the Get Skills community. Just go to getskills.ai and click on communities. Well, why don't I just show you? It's right over here. We'll go to the Get Skills AI community. Where in your Get Skills AI, you're going to go to community wherever you land. And when you go to community, let's open it up in incognito. You're going to see the Get Skills AI community, and you can go ahead and click on it. if you want to start posting, look right here, it's showing that, we've got a live going. But if you wanted to join the live or post, you gotta join. Whoops. There we are. So let me get out of here. So there you have it, my friends. That right there is how I generated that video. And normally something like this would have taken me quite a few hours. And because I've been doing this already for a while and I got my workflows down, this whole process didn't take me more than an hour. Remember, my friends, like I always say, keep on learning. And remember, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.